Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Adobe Illustrator for logo design workflows step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Go to the Adobe website by entering www.adobe.com in the address bar. Navigate to the Creative Cloud section from the home page. Scroll down to find Adobe Illustrator and click on it. You will see various subscription options available. Select the plan that best suits your needs for logo design. If applicable, click on the monthly or annual subscription options. Review the features included in the selected plan. Once satisfied, click on the Buy Now or Start Free Trial button. You will be prompted to sign in or create an Adobe account. If you're creating a new account, fill in the required information and follow the prompts. After signing in, input your payment information as required. Review your order details to ensure everything is correct. Click the Place Secure Order button to complete your purchase. Once your order is confirmed, you will receive a confirmation email. Return to the Adobe homepage and sign in again if needed. Access the Creative Cloud section from your account dashboard. Download the Adobe Creative Cloud desktop app if you haven't done so already. Install the Creative Cloud app by following the on-screen instructions. Open the Creative Cloud app once installed. Locate Adobe Illustrator in the list of applications. Click the Install button next to Adobe Illustrator. Wait for the installation to complete. Once installed, open Adobe Illustrator from the Creative Cloud app. You are now ready to start designing logos in Adobe Illustrator. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.